Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Jack Robotham, and today I'll be covering the hot off the press news, the new Power Platform announcements from Microsoft Ignite. As you may know, the Microsoft Power Platform is an industry-leading low-code development platform rich with capabilities that enable you to build at speed and scale to drive effectiveness in your business, whether you're a business developer, as a citizen developer, IT professionals, or even pro coders as well. So what we'll be covering today is the new and improved features that have just been released as of last night, including some of the roadmap and what that ultimately means for you and your business. But if you want to know more, feel free to sign up to Microsoft Ignite and catch up with the on-demand content to learn even more. So let's get into the video.
Number 1. RPA available to all Windows 10 users. Power Automate Desktop is Microsoft's approach to robotic process automation that allows you to easily automate time-consuming manual activities from your favorite applications such as Excel, email, general UI, or web automation. They've announced it'll be free to all users that have Windows 10. That means anyone on Windows 10 right now can download Power Automate Desktop and make the most of the user-friendly web and desktop recorder to create your automations across 370 pre-built actions, truly empowering everyone to be productive right away. And you can get started with the below link. Number 2. Low-code language for everyone. Microsoft has announced a low-code open source programming language called PowerFX. In simple terms, it means Microsoft will be expanding the use of its Excel expression-like formulas used in the Power App Canvas experience across more of the Power Platform technologies such as Power Virtual Agent, Dataverse, and model-driven apps, making it a more inclusive and accessible experience for business developers and pro developers to collaborate on solutions as Fusion teams. As you can see below, the simplification of PowerFX via traditional code such as JavaScript is bringing down the barriers to entry, and it being open source is giving the platform for people to be able to build upon and contribute to it as a community. Number 3. Enhanced AI capabilities in low-code chatbots. Microsoft has a low-code chatbot capability called Power Virtual Agent. The improvements made in its AI model and new capabilities is improving the creator and end user experience. The first being topic overlap detection to help avoid the did you mean loops that chatbots can face, allowing you to optimize the topics that you're using with the customer. Suggestions of new topics based off previous transcripts, in essence allowing you to automatically suggest topics where the bot doesn't have a trigger to prevent addressing all the gaps inside its conversation. Finally, bots getting better over time for its continuous learning capabilities. Using signals from responses coming from the did you mean questions, the bot will learn automatically, removing the need for the bot to have to clarify the same question over again. Number 4. Admin visibility and monitoring. A key aspect for admins to securely deploy and support a low-code platform is the ability to monitor usage and business impact across the entire tenant, while the Power Platform is now introducing new monitoring capabilities to exactly achieve that. New tenant-wide reports for apps and flows enable admins to track overall usage of the platform across all environments, identifying top maker trends and reviewing sharing details for all the key Power Platform resources. The top applications, calculated by their usage, are listed in an inventory view, allowing admin teams to further identify relevant details about the most impactful Power Platform solutions, such as environment name, unique users, total sessions, or last launch time of the app or flow. Number 5. Proactive controls to secure and govern your data. As low-code continues to grow in enterprises, security architects want the ability to ensure that their data is safe. Microsoft has now released many targeted security and governance capabilities. New ones being tenant isolation to block external tenants from establishing connections to your own, fine-grained data loss prevention policies for connector actions and endpoints. This now means you can re-evaluate the 400 plus connectors and define which actions can actually be used with your apps and automation, and as well as specifically defining which domains can be used for endpoints such as SQL. A popular one, email exfiltration controls, now allows you to block the Power Platform sending emails outside of your organization without permission or oversight. And others such as customer managed keys, traditionally done via API or PowerShell, you're now able to use Azure Key Vault with Microsoft Dataverse for encryption. And also Microsoft Information Protection inside the Power Platform to classify the sensitivity of specific connectors and the data sources that are being used.
So that's the top 5 announcements that I believe everyone should know at Microsoft Ignite about the Power Platform. So the first one being the RPA accessible to everyone who have Windows 10. So that can allow you to automate all your manual processes right away from desktop apps to browser-based. You can now get started right now. The second being the development of our low-code language for everyone called PowerFX. This will continue to democratize the low-code technologies in an even more accessible way, allowing pro developers and citizen developers to work together as fusion teams to build out solutions. The third one being the enhanced AI capabilities embedded in our low-code chatbots, meaning a more intelligent experience both for the person creating the chatbot but also for the end user as well, from topic overlap detection all the way down to a more personalized engagement. The fourth one being specifically for those IT admins out there, so improved out-of-the-box analytics and dashboarding to get even more insight about how people are using the Power Platform, from your makers in the organization, the granularity of their usage, in addition to the full tenant and app flow inventory dashboarding to help you focus on the key value-added solutions inside your organization. Finally, more proactive controls to protect your data. So new features such as Microsoft Information Protection to classify your data similar to the email experience, granular connector blocking, email exfiltration controls, all the way down to customer managed keys as well. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you're just as excited as myself to be able to try out these new capabilities inside of the platform and looking where the roadmap is going. If you do have any more suggestions on content and you'd love to see it in the next video, please drop me a comment. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Thank you.